Today I'm showing you how to make a good paper airplane. So, like a gliding paper airplane. So first you just have to fold it the long way in half.
And try to line up the corners as good as you can, right?
Yeah. You want to really crease it. And then unfold it. You're not going to fold it like this all the way. You're going to just fold it to this left top corner to the middle.
Okay. I'll zoom in a little bit.
It should look like this then. And then try to fold it in half to make sure it's not too far. Unfold it and do the same thing with the other side. You want to bring the right corner to the left corner to make it right by each other. And then crease it. And then you should have it like this, fold it in half to make sure. And then you're gonna fold this top down to about, you want to see this and this. You want it to fold like all the way down to the bottom. Increase the top. And now, you see this little line in the middle? Fold it and do a little bit harder so then you can see it. And you want to fold this corner normally to this.
To the middle, right?
Mm-hmm. Like this way. And do the same thing with the other side. And you want them to be right close to each other. And then you should look like a normal paper. It should look like a normal paper airplane. And with this corner, you're just gonna fold it a little bit down to, and you want to make it right on this line. Try to make it as good as you can on that line. Fold it over, crease it, fold it, flip it back over, and now you're just gonna fold it in half this way to make it look like this, not this.
Mm-hmm.
This.
Okay.
And then you
Just need your wings.
There should be a straight up and a curve. You want your wings to you fold it down to this point. You fold it like that to make the wings straight. And like this. And then you're gonna do the same thing with this. You're gonna flip it over, and you can see this, so you're gonna try to match it. And remember, you can pause if I'm going too fast. Fold it really good. And then unfold the wings, and it should look like this. And then at the back here, just bend them up. Just a little tiny bit with your finger. And then there should be two openings like this. looking like something like that. You want to put your fingers in there and try to make it open. And now you have your paper airplane.
Okay, how are we going to see a throw?
And here's the throw.